dance is called Hoedown. 32 count, 4 walls. There's no tag and no restart. Let me show you the dance. Starting with your right foot. Step right diagonal. Touch with left. Step back, left. Kick with your right. Do a back coaster. Back, together, forward. Hold 1 count. Repeat the same for the left. Diagonal, touch, back, kick, back, coaster, hold 1 count. So section 1 with the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. Section 2 is a repeat with the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. Section 3, make a quarter turn to your left with a bind step. Quarter, behind, side, step together. Do a twist to the left. Heel, toe, heel, toe. Section 3 with a count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. Step your heel right forward, return, left heel forward, return. Stomp right next to left, stomp left next to right, and right heel hook across the left. So section 4 with a count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you finish the dance here. Let me go through from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.